When autumn leaves begin to fall, give your living room a cozy refresh for the season with these quick, easy updates. Styling a mantle with a TV above is a common design challenge. So here's a simple strategy for turning the space into a beautiful display you'll enjoy looking at even when the TV's off. Start with a garland, filling it in with seasonal embellishments. Just keep the new additions in front of the screen low so they don't block the view. Place taller pieces off to the sides where they'll balance out the arrangement. Decorating in front of and inside the fireplace itself is a great opportunity to really make the most of this front and center spot. Utilize bookshelves for an easy way to incorporate colors and textures that turn your everyday space into a fall retreat. For example, these wood, leather, and velvet accents bring warmth and ambiance into the room. For the most visually appealing aesthetic, use items of varying heights. Fall is one of the most beautiful seasons of the year, so it's the perfect time to bring the outdoors in. An assortment of gourds, leaves, and florals breathes new life into existing decor. Get your seating area ready for upcoming holiday festivities by bringing in just a few accent pieces, like pillows and pumpkins. Keeping temporary decor to a minimum means the look won't feel too busy, but you'll still get those comfy fall vibes. These simple tips and ideas will help you get your home ready for fall, with plenty of time left to curl up with a cup of cider and enjoy the coziest season in style. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.